Okay, got called out to this one today, and no turbo boost. Solenoid's in the wrong position. And it's had a new turbo. Still don't work. It's had a few more things thrown at it. Still don't work. N75 valve was chucked on. That was sent back. It didn't work. Didn't work at all. So I've got vacuum going to the solenoid to the bottom. I've got no vacuum pulling the turbo. So that's why it's saying that it's in the wrong position. So putting a new solenoid on, I don't know if that's broken or not yet, but we put the multimeter in. Got 11.6 volts. That should be good enough to run that, shouldn't it? Okay. Gonna do the battery. Battery's 13. So, got the test light, which is in all this bits of metal, and it's there, and it's on the positive. Actually, no. We've got to put the worst one first, don't we? So, nothing. Oh, yeah, that's pretty. Nothing there. Oh, you see that little glow? And then nothing. There is a glow. Okay, didn't turn out the way I thought. So I've put I quite like this one, which did go into number pin 2. Disconnected ECU connector, and then I've run this all the way around up here, beep beep beep, and I've got no breaks in the wire. So what I have done, just to test the wire, make sure I've got decent wiring on here, I've got a power probe, as you can see. We put that there, and that's everything is all disconnected. It's in the breakout leads, and you press the button, and there we go. And that's at the source. So the problem is, inside that ECU, there is there's something wrong with the earth. That's all I'm going to say. I don't have to worry about anything else because someone else can fix that. I mean, one thing I have seen is there's a lot of leaves underneath here, and there's definitely signs of water around here. Definitely. Is that what the problem is? I don't know. As I say, hopefully someone can fix that.
somewhere else. But that's me done. I mean, I'll put it all back. Well, you've already seen that little dim light, haven't you? So I don't have to worry about that. And that's why the turbo don't work, because there's no earth going to the N75 valve. Right, what I'm going to do is just make sure the N75 valve's working, because that could have been the reason it took the ECL out. Might not have been water. I haven't looked inside, so I'm not going to get latched up to that at all. So I'll just check the N75 valve, or there's another name for it, but that's what we used to call it back in the day, and that's good enough for me. And at least we finished. Okie dokie, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.